Hey everyone, welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible membership and keep your books step by step. In this video, I'll walk you through how to cancel Audible on the Audible website, the Amazon website, the Apple App Store, and Google Play Store. And at the end, I'll also show you how to make sure you never lose access to your audiobook library. Let's get started. First up, canceling directly on the Audible website. Just head over to audible.com, go to your account details, and you'll see the option to cancel your membership. Follow the steps, choose a reason, and confirm. Next, if you signed up through Amazon, you can cancel there too. Go to your Amazon account, find Memberships and Subscriptions, then locate Audible and click Cancel Membership. Follow the prompts and you're good to go. If you're paying for Audible subscription through Apple App Store, you can cancel from your device. Open Settings, tap your name, go to Subscriptions, and select Audible. Tap Cancel Subscription and that's it. And for Android users who's paying the membership through Google, you can open the Google Play Store, tap your profile, then go to Subscriptions. Find Audible and hit Cancel Subscription. So, can you still access your Audible library after canceling? Yes, you can still listen to any books you bought with credits or money. But you'll lose access to anything from the Audible Plus catalog. So then, is there a way to keep all your Audible books, even the ones from the Plus catalog? The answer is yes. With ViWizard Audible Converter, you can back up every title in your Audible library, no subscription required. Once you've installed ViWizard, open it up. Add your Audible files by clicking the Add Files button in the top left corner, or just drag and drop them in. Click the edit icon next to each file. You can split the book by chapters or time. Adjust the volume, speed, and pitch, or even update the tags. Next, go to the Format panel at the bottom left. Choose any format you like. You can tweak settings like the codec, sample rate, or bit rate, or just pick a preset for high quality or smaller file size. When you're done, click OK. Now, hit the Convert button to start converting. Once it's done, click the converted icon at the top to find your Audible files. You can click the folder icon to check them in the output folder on your device and make sure they are saved as the format you set earlier. If you want to learn more about what happens after canceling your Audible membership and see step-by-step guides for each cancellation method, check out the article linked in the description below. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for you watching and I'll see you in the next one.